With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this: a binary solution of ethanol and N-heptane is an example of. Okay. So our options are ideal solution, non-ideal solution with positive deviation, non-ideal solution with negative deviation, and unpredictable behavior. So this is a very basic question, guys. When a binary solution of ethanol and N-heptane is prepared, then it has been seen that the intermolecular attraction between the intermolecular attraction between ethanol and ethanol molecules and N-heptane and N-heptane molecules. Okay, the intermolecular attraction between ethanol molecules and N-heptane molecules are greater than ethanol and N-heptane molecules. Ethanol and N-heptane molecules. That means it can be say that when ethanol and N-heptane form a binary solution, then their intermolecular forces are replaced by a weaker intermolecular forces, because the intermolecular forces between ethanol molecules and N-heptane molecules separately is greater than intermolecular forces between ethanol and N-heptane molecules when a binary solution is formed. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding it. And for this solution, vapor pressure experimental, this is the vapor pressure of the solution, experimental is greater than vapor pressure of the solution theoretical. That means this theoretical vapor pressure of the solution is according to the Raoult's law. That is, vapor pressure of the solution is equals to partial vapor pressure of ethanol plus partial vapor pressure of N-heptane. And vapor pressure experimental for this solution is greater than the vapor pressure of the solution which is determined by the Raoult's law. Okay, so this binary solution of ethanol and N-heptane shows positive deviation from Raoult's law because its vapor pressure of the solution is greater than the vapor pressure of the solution theoretical, and theoretical vapor pressure of the solution is the vapor pressure which is determined by the Raoult's law. So it shows positive deviation from the Raoult's law. It shows positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Positive deviation from ideality, we can say positive deviation from ideality, or we can say from Raoult's law. Okay, so this binary solution of ethanol and N-heptane is an example of non-ideal solution with positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, and also for these solution, delta V mixture is positive. Okay, delta V mixture, that is change in volume of the mixture, is positive. Okay, so this is a type of non-ideal solution which is formed by a binary solution of ethanol and N-heptane, in which the intermolecular attraction between AA and BB is greater than intermolecular attraction between AB. Here A is ethanol and B is N-heptane. Okay, here A is ethanol and B is N-heptane. So intermolecular attraction between AA and BB is greater than intermolecular attraction between AB. That's why they show positive deviation from the Raoult's law. So answer for this question will be option second, that is, they form non-ideal solution with positive deviation. Thank you, guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.